The mad titan Thanos has begun his hunt for the most powerful objects in the universe, the Infinity Stones. Facing an enemy too powerful to stop alone, the Executive Avengers are recruiting the help of more Student Council leaders to help restore the balance of the universe before destroying the next school year.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to meet Joe. What are you doing here?
I'm here to meet Sam.
Do you know what's going on?
No? Do you?
No, I have no idea what's going on. Guys, let's go! Hurry up! What?
Guys, what's going on?
This is an emergency. What do you mean? Sam, I won't feel so.
Guys, we're running out of time. To restore our school house balance, you have to find the 9 committee stones and bring them to Gym 2. You can do it.
Wait, Sam? Wait, Sam?
Jan, they're gone.
We can't do this just on our own.
I know just the right people.
A few moments later.
Matt, Janice, we came as fast as we could! What do you know about the 9 stones?
Do you know where to find it?
Well, although we can't undo Sam and Joe, I know that the stones can restore the balance for the next school year.
But we don't just need the stones, we need the students too.
Yeah, but who?
I might know a guy. Or night.
Two hours later.
Hey guys, come and get your Valentine gram.
Yeah, we have UP, Ferrero, Cha-Cha. How much is the bear?
It's 100,000.
Okay, here's the bear. Here.
One call away, I'll be there to save the day. Superman.
Indomie ramen noodles. So many people are recommending us this ramen, so we cooked it and we're gonna eat it today.
You already had some before.
Yeah, I ate it before, but you guys recommended it, so I tried it.
It's my first time.
Yeah, it's her first time, so she's gonna tell you her, what?
Make sure to flick your hands.
A few moments later.
See, that's how you do it.
Why can't I do this? She's good.
What are you working on? Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, that's good. Alright, work it.
Hello?
What's up? Silang idea.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Guys, it's time. Let's go.